Welcome to MyProjectBazaar. Our project title is On the Security of Data Access Control for Multi-Authority Cloud Storage System. The abstract is the data access control has become a challenging issue in cloud storage systems. Some techniques have been proposed to achieving the secure data access control in semi-trusted cloud storage. In existing the basic data access control scheme for multi-authority cloud storage system and the existing data access control. These achieving efficient decryption and the immediate revocation, and the also achieving these goals is even though non-revoked users reveal their key updated keys to revoke. However, through our crypto analysis, the revocation security of both schemes cannot be guaranteed. In this paper, we give two attacks on the two schemes. By first attack, the revoked user can even out to obtain other user key update keys to update its secret key, obtaining a proper token to decrypting any secret information as a non-revoked user. In addition, by the second attack, the revoked users can intercept ciphertext updated key to retrieve its ability to decrypt any secret information as a non-revoked user. Secondly, we propose a new existing data access control scheme to withstand above two attacks so as a guarantee more secure attribute revocation. Then the formal crypto analysis of new efficient data access control is presented to prove the security goals of the. Finally, the performance comparison among new extensive data access control and the related scheme is given to demonstrate the performance of new existing extensive data access control is superior to the data access control. Data access control issues are mainly related to the security policies provided to the user accessing the uploaded data, and the technology of data access control must specify their own defined security access policies and further support of policy updates based on which each user can be accessing some particular set of data, whether invalid users are unauthorized to accessing the data. In this paper, two attackers are first given on the data access control and the extensive data access control revocation security, which cannot be guaranteed through our crypto analysis. Subsequently, a new extensive data access control scheme is proposed to stand above two attacks so as to support more secured attribute revocation. In data flow diagram, the first one is certificate authority, which is similar to the DAC. It is separated the authority into global certified authority and the multi-attribute authority. The CA set up a system and assigning a global user identity to each user and a global authority identity AID to then user and the attribute authority register their information. Then secret key generation by AA. AA is an attribute authority. Here the attribute authority creating a secret key for a valid user. Then data is encrypted by the data owners. First of all, the data owners uploading a file to the cloud and they encrypted with a secret key. The next is the data decrypted by the user. Here all the legal user in the system can query any interesting encrypted data from the cloud server, but only when the user attribute satisfy the access structure embedded in the ciphertext. He or she can be decrypted the content key and use it to further decrypt the data content. In attribute revocation, there are three phases. The first one is the update key generation by AA, and the second one is secret key update by non-revoked user, and the third one is ciphertext updated by cloud server. The secret key update can prevent the revoked user from decrypting the new ciphertext with encrypted by a new public attribute keys. Finally, the user decrypted the encrypted data, then downloading the decrypted content. Our title is On the Security of Data Access Control for Multi-Authority Cloud Storage System. clicking the images. In this frame, the valid users enter their username, ID and their password. And the key is generated for user. Then attribute authority also enter their username and the password. And the key is also generated for attribute authority. Successfully registered. Then the public key is generated for the user. When it's successfully generated, then the attribute authority generating a secret key for a valid user. Then the data encryption by the data owner. Here the data owner is uploading the files with the key. First choose the file path. Then get the file name and enter the key to decrypt. Now the file is encrypted. Then the file is uploaded to the server. In the cloud server, they list the number of files. The encrypted file is saved as encrypted2.txt. The server view the encrypted file. Then user get the encrypted file by clicking the list of files in the cloud. Then select the file and viewing the content in the encrypted file. Then the authentication provided for the user. First of all, the user enter their username, password and the secret key generated by attribute authority. Password and enter the secret key. This secret key is generated by attribute authority. Then authenticating the user enter their username and the password and the secret key which is generated by attribute authority. And authenticating the user, it is valid or not. Valid user and the keys are matching. Then creating an updated key for attribute revocation. First click the updated key, then press any one key in the keyboard. Then we are getting an updated key for attribute revocation. In next, file decrypted by user. Here the first user have to entering the updated key. Then it will verify valid user and the updated key also matching. Then server provide the file name and we needing a key for decrypting and also a token which is necessary to decrypting the data. Using this, the user decrypt the content. Finally, the file is decrypted. Then checking. Once again, the user have to enter the username, password, and the secret key and the updated secret key to downloading the decrypted files. And then enter the updated key, which is generated by the generator for attribute revocation. Then it should be verified by, first of all, it should be verified by attribute authority, certificate authority. Then it should be verified by the attribute authority, then cloud server. The overall access, everything should be valid and should be permitted to downloading the decrypted file. Then click the user downloading decrypted file, then downloading the files.